He does that.
So, nakuha mo naman yung, yung communication niyang ganun.
Yeah. I lessened the questions from 1,001,000 to 100.
Okay. Pero nagko-question naman tayo eh. Ano yung nasa questioning niya na medyo...
No, kasi it's repeated eh. Kasi we had a serious guest and then she would ask the same things like again and again.
Because each guest has a different opinion about something.
Yeah, but she'd ask the same questions.
It's not
The
every single
same
time.
performers.
Do I ask the same questions every single time?
Was there ever a time that you wanted to give up? It's Gary Vee. The next
Yeah, that's
was there ever a time
That's my
that you wanted
favorite question in the whole wide world.
No, this is feedback for you dahil, hindi ba this is public perception ng ibang tao tungkol sa'yo. If that's what they feel and that's what the public sees, that means there's a grain of truth to it. So,
Na-irony, space out.
Hindi oh. Hindi ko yun. May kinig ako.
Sige, go. Hoy.
Continue.
sige. Can you say anything about that?
Well, I'm just a very ma-question kind of person. Actually, what he's saying is right. Sometimes I wanna stop, but my mouth just... you know. But, kasi I believe that every person has his or her opinion about something. Tapos, you can never tell what a person will say. No matter how many performers come through here,
Yeah.
I keep asking that same question because it's my favorite question of all time.
What's your favorite
Hindi, para
question?
malaman mo din siguro yung
Iba-iba kasi experiences ng tao.
Pero with you, it's besides questioning, no? It's yung pakikipagsawsaw. So you intrude.
Exactly.
Huh? So you intrude into other people's conversations, you butt in.
Okay.
Yeah, but a laugh.
But to her, like, baka she doesn't notice, like what she said.
Okay. Since you feel it, what tips can you give so that she can be more...
Stop asking questions.
About yung pakikipagsawsaw?
Hindi ko
Bakit
kayo
yun?
yung question.
I don't know. Sometimes, kasi like me also, I'm like that. You know, there are times when like I see someone.
You were like that.
Grabe, nanay ko. Mahal lang ako pagdating sa pagkain. Mahal lang ako pag may kailangan kainin. Yan. Pero pag hindi, basta. Dito, hindi, kasi, like, you know, sometimes, like, Van and Hansen might be talking and then, like, I join in because, like, we're talking about the same topic pala and then I have points to share in. I guess it's really just feel if you think that you can add to the conversation or if it's gonna be conducive for whatever's happening there.
Sige, I'll give feedback, no, based on yung napag-usapan natin dati. And it has to do with Miguel. It's like, nakakasense ako na what you speak some things, pero it actually applies to you rin. Di ba? And then, parang medyo nainis rin yung ibang tao dahil yung pinipreach mo, hindi mo rin nagagawa. So with Apple, ikaw yung pinaka-vocal about yung behavior niya, pero actually, ikaw rin nagdi-display nun.
No, but not like, what I meant by like her is like I also join conversations, but then like I try to control like what I'm going to say for that certain conversation or what, and I don't always butt in. Like for example, if the topic is serious, you know, I don't really try to get in whatever. But if it's just like happy thoughts and you know, ponies and
Bulaga, parang ganun.
yeah, I just
tapos
but sometimes wala na.
Wala na, labas na.
Palang talaga.
Yeah,
Whereas si Apple,
parang she puts in so much. She kind of adds info to it pa. Or she,
Okay.
it kind of, how should I say, parang basta parang may, I can't explain it eh.
so ganito ba? Kung si Iñaki papasok tapos lalabas, pero kung si Apple parang tumatagal.
Yes, parang it
Pag
dwells
in.
on it.
Ganun ba?
Parang ganun. Kasi me, I bought in, like that, for a while lang and then I'm gone.
Okay. What do the others think?
It's okay, hold on.
Ay, kinakain din.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sir, kasi I think, sometimes I find it impolite when we